This will be a semi-quick video. Got a repeat customer. His mom wanted her back patio cleaned up. Just a little small job for today. But it's pretty dirty. So we're gonna take care of that for her today. Seems like every time I wear shorts, I get surprised with some really filthy stuff. It's gonna be fun. Shout out to Jed West. So I'm definitely gonna go back with the 12 volt, hit it with a nice post treat, really brighten the concrete up. Let's take a look. Hit it with a nice post treat. You see these lines here? So you saw I did it Mr. Miyagi style. So I'm not sure what happened there, but I'm gonna post treat it. It'll bring them right up, even it out. It'll look great. Just putting stuff back. Bro, they make heated cat beds? That's crazy. Man, I love my electric hose rails. I would say that and the Flow Pro have got to be the biggest time saver I've invested in, for sure. could say, you know, you're so lazy, you could just get a manual one and reel it up. See, I'm not lazy, I'm just efficient. That's what we'll call it. Little side note here. I'm gonna put y'all on the flyest Crocs you've ever seen in your life. Boom. Look at them bad boys. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Ugh. You don't want to get stuff in your house or in your truck. Get you a pair of these bad boys right here.